Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. We will be looking for a we'll be looking at a max Olympiad problem. So the problem is if a equal to 2b plus c, b equal to 2c plus d, 2c is equal to d plus a minus 1, d is equal to a minus c, then find the value of a square plus b square plus c square minus d square. So here logic is there in this problem, that's why this is selected. So as we are going to solve this problem, before starting pause the video and try it. And also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. Thank you. So we'll go to the problem. So first of all, what is given? A is equal to 2b plus c, b is equal to 2c plus d. So let it be 1 and 2. The third one is 2c is equal to d plus a minus 1. D is equal to a minus c. Now here if you substitute d value, then what will get? 2c is equal to a minus c plus a minus 1. Then what will get? 3c is equal to 3c is equal to 2a minus 1. 3c is equal to 2a minus 1. Now here b is equal to 2c plus d. So here d value is a minus c. So substitute here 2c in the place of d, a minus c plus a minus c. So here what will get? b is equal to c plus a. b is equal to c plus a. Or you can write c is equal to b minus a. c is equal to b minus a. Now replace this value in 1 now. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. These are the 4 given equations. So replace c in replace c in 1. Replace c in 1. So a is equal to 2b plus c. In the place of c you are writing b minus a. Here c is there. In the place of c you are writing b minus a. So here 2a is equal to 3b. 2a is equal to 3b. Now in this replace c value. So here the c value we are replacing c value. C is equal to b minus a is equal to 2a minus 1. 3b minus 3a is equal to 2a minus 1. So here 3b is equal to 5a minus 1. 3b is equal to 5a minus 1. So from this you can write 3b is also 2a. So if you solve this subtracting this one and this one, subtracting this and this, so here 3b get cancelled. 0 is equal to 3a minus 1. 0 is equal to 3a minus 1. So 3a is equal to 1. A is equal to 1 by 3. Now we got a value 1 by 3. Now here we are having the relation between A and B. So here 2 into A value 1 by 3 is equal to 3B. So here B is equal to 2 by 9. You got A value and B value. Now what is C value? So C value here it is B minus A. C is equal to B minus A. 2 by 9 minus 1 by 3. So here you'll get 9. Here 2 minus 3. So here you'll get minus 1 by 9. Minus 1 by 9 is the C value. Okay. Now D value is A minus C. D value is A minus C. Here you got A minus C. D value is A minus C. So here what is A value? A value is 1 by 3 minus C value means minus into minus plus 1 by 9. So here LCM is 9. 3 plus 1 4 by 9. So what is required? Required is A square plus B square plus C square minus D square. So what is A square value? 1 by 3 whole square. B square value 2 by 9 whole square. C square value minus 1 by 9 whole square minus D square value 4 by 9 whole square. So here 1 by 9 plus 4 by 81 plus 1 by 81 minus 16 by 81. So here if you take LCM 81, so here 9 plus 4 plus 1 minus 16. So here what will get 14 minus 16 by 81, that is nothing but minus 2 by 81. Minus 2 by 81 is the answer. So I hope you understood the video. So thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Thank you once again for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.